Before you embark on a journey to Marsaxlokk, there are a few things you should know. Firstly, the correct pronunciation of this charming village is marsaʃlɔk. Remember, it's all part of immersing yourself in the local culture. When visiting the bustling market, be prepared to engage in some bartering. The market can be quite expensive, an issue in Marsaxlokk. Both the market and pier are wheelchair and stroller accessible, ensuring that everyone can explore and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Parking is also a breeze here, as it's completely free. Just make sure to park your vehicle on the white line to avoid any inconveniences. Now let's talk about why Marsaxlokk is a must-visit location. Its beauty is unmatched, with a seafront adorned with numerous restaurants. These establishments specialize in serving local fresh fish, making it a seafood lover's paradise. Take your pick from the wide selection of eateries and indulge in mouth-watering dishes while soaking in the picturesque view of the harbor. For a truly unforgettable experience, opt for a table on the terrace at Principino restaurant or La Nostra Padrona. Alternatively, you can enjoy stunning sunset views and refreshing drinks at bars like Southport Villa. Lastly, don't miss the chance to gaze at the colorful lozu boats in the harbor. These traditional Maltese fishing boats are far from ordinary. Painted in vibrant primary colors, they are an iconic symbol of the region. The Eye of Horus, an ancient Egyptian symbol of protection, adorns the front bow to safeguard fishermen at sea. Truly, they are not just vessels, but attractions in themselves, representing the rich history and culture of the Maltese Islands. So if you're seeking a unique and enriching experience, put Marsaxlokk at the top of your travel list. With its accessible amenities, delectable seafood cuisine, and picturesque luzu boats, this charming village is ready to captivate your senses.